Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G23, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on your device. So firstly, let's start with unloading all unnecessary features, with disabling all unnecessary features. So to do it, just open Control Panel. Here you will find all your plugins. So for example, if you are using mobile data and not using Wi-Fi right now, disable Wi-Fi, and vice versa. If you are not using Bluetooth, just disable it. If you're not using NFC, disable NFC. If you don't need location services right now, just click on the pencil button, scroll down, find location here, drag it and drop on the upper part of your screen and disable it. Great. It's because if a necessary feature is enabled, it's constantly searching for unnecessary services for you. For example, Wi-Fi, constantly searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth for nearby devices, NFC, constantly searching for NFC, and I think you need to disable these features to improve your battery life. Of course, then you need to reduce screen brightness, because screen contains battery power, and of course you can enable battery saving mode. So just open battery in settings and just find battery saver and enable it. Click turn on, and great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.